The first step in shipping your box is packing. It is very important to properly prepare your items for shipping, as they may be transported via plane, train, or truck for multiple days at a time and can experience a lot of bumps on their journey. Following these packing tips will help your belongings arrive safe and sound. Be sure to use a new, strong, and rigid box with no tears, rips, bends, or other damage. Boxes can be purchased at your local moving store, a carrier location, or on Amazon.com if needed. Boxes are great for shipping things like school supplies, bedding, and even household items. Just remember, it's important to make sure everything inside is securely packed so nothing moves. Any fragile or loose items should be wrapped separately in cushioning material. Any bubble wrap will do. We recommend putting clothing on the outside and loose items on the inside. Do not pack more than your box can handle. You can add another box to your trip through your Lugless account if needed. If it has lost its structural integrity, it is not suited for shipping. Once your box is packed, tape it up with clear packing tape and attach your label. No matter what you're shipping, be sure you pack everything as securely as possible so there's no wear and tear on your items while they're shipping. Once everything is packed away, you're good to go.